Recently on January 25, 2024, Visit Japan Web has updated their QR code system. Before January 25, 2024, you need the immigration QR code and the customs declaration QR code to go through the checkpoints respectively. But now, after January 25, 2024, these two QR codes are unified into one QR code. And this is what the whole procedures looks like during my February visit to Japan. Once the plane is taxiing to the airport terminal, for those who didn't manage to screenshot the QR code, you can get ready to connect to the airport Wi-Fi. If you are traveling with elderly or kids, help them with their connection too. Once you disembark from the plane and connected to the airport Wi-Fi, do log into the Visit Japan web. Just get ready to show the newly combined QR code at the immigration checkpoint. Or, if you have screenshot the QR code, just get ready the image. If you are not in a rush, just check whether everything is in order, or take a toilet break. Next, just proceed to the immigration checkpoint. While queuing for your turn, get ready your passport, and on the Visit Japan web, go to the Immigration Clearance and Customs Declaration section, and select the Display QR code. This will bring you to the new combined Immigration Clearance and Customs Declaration QR code. Make sure the name appear as yours if you are travel with family members. Or simply get ready your screenshot QR code. When it's your turn to proceed to the counter, give your passport and hold up your phone with the QR code and scan it on a small scanner on the counter. After that, just wait for the immigration officer to clear your entry. At this point, the immigration officer will affix the landing permission seal onto your passport. It's crucial to check before leaving, because you'll require the seal to create your tax-free QR code on the Visit Japan web app. This QR code will enable you to make tax-free purchases by simply displaying it, eliminating the need to present your passport. For those who have purchased the Japan Rail Pass from either their official website or from overseas agents, you need this landing permission seal too. The staff will check the landing permission seal, together with either your registration number or the exchange order from the overseas agents, before issuing the Japan Rail Pass. Once you clear the immigration checkpoint, you will proceed to the baggage claim area to collect your baggage. The last checkpoint is the customs declaration. It is just beside the baggage claim area. Once you collected your baggage, the airport staff will guide you to the electronic declaration terminal station. When queuing, get ready the same QR code that was shown at the immigration checkpoint. On your phone, go to the Immigration Clearance and Customs Declaration section and select the Display QR code. Make sure the name appear as yours if you are traveling with family members. Or simply get ready the screenshot of the QR code. At the station, follow what is shown on the screen and proceed accordingly. Scan your passport and the QR code on the machine. Once you have registered on the station, you will then proceed to the electronic gate. When queuing for your turn, if you are still wearing a mask, you should take off first so that the electronic gate machine can scan your face and open the gate for you to pass through. After passing through the electronic gate, you will finally reach the arrival hall. And welcome to Japan. In summary, at the Immigration Checkpoint 1, you need to scan the QR code for immigration clearance and customs declaration, while your passport has been processed by the immigration officers. At the Immigration Checkpoint 1, check whether your passport has the landing permission seal. At the Customs Declaration Checkpoint 2, you need to scan the same QR code for immigration clearance and customs declaration, together with your passport on the machine. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.